Hello everybody, how are you doing tonight? I have a Selfridges box which I want to show you guys. I want to show you what I got in this Selfridges box. I love Selfridges. Selfridges is one of me. I love Selfridges. Selfridges is one of my favorite stores. Shall we have a look what's inside? So, this is called Eilon and it's a cleanser. It removes waterproof makeup, hydrates the skin up to 12 hours. Let's open this. I absolutely love a good cleanser. So this even comes with a cloth. I think this is so nice. Never tried this before. This product. Wow. This definitely smells like a spa kind of cleanser. We have this. This is a photography fluid, opacity 12% highlighting serum by Nayad. I've never heard of this. This says to apply instead of or under liquid foundation to balance out undesirable color tones and skin imperfections. This formula can also be mixed with other products for suitable hue correction. So it's a highlighting system. Wow. can definitely see a tint in the colour of the moisturizer or whatever it is, serum. I've always seen this. I've especially seen this in Harvey Nichols. This is called Arribe or Arribe, I'm not too sure. And it's called Goldlust, and it is a transformative mask for your hair. I love this pattern here. Such a pretty looking pattern. I always see this product in the shops, but I've never used it. Glowing Pains Get Your Shine in the Shower Hair Glass is made with hyaluronic acid and rice water and will protect color, boost shine, and reduced frizz and take strength up a notch. And it protects colour and treats damaged hair. Now I have this vitamin E face moisturizer. Also never tried this product. This doesn't smell of anything. I think it's just not got any toxic ingredients, so, but that's what it looks like inside. Is from Clarins. I've tried Clarins before. This is a tonic hydrating balm. I wonder what this smells like. The products usually smell really relaxing. And I was right. It smells super relaxing. The products are very, very calming, and you definitely feel like you're in a spa setting. Now I know it's called Clarins Aroma, so it's like aromatherapy smell. Velvet Sleeping Mask by Sicily. So this is a sleeping mask that you put on your skin overnight. These products, Sicily products, are really expensive. I've had a hair mask before and it was so expensive, like seriously. So they've just gave us a little sample. I want to see what this smells like. It feels really thick and it smells really good. So I left the best one for last. This is the Prada lip balm. I honestly think they are so generous giving us this. So yeah, it is a reload with a consciously designed Prada refill, Prada balm. Wow, just look at this. This is so pretty. It's similar to my lipstick. Wow, look at this. So this is actually a refillable, reusable balm. It has a refillable lip balm. I want to see, has it got the writing on it? It does, look at that. Let's see the writing here.